I remodeled my bathroom and also the bathroom tile floor. It looks amazing. I'm super excited to show you guys how I did this. So keep on watching if you're interested on seeing this remodeled bathroom. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a very long time since I posted a video, but bought our house 1 year in and I did a lot of remodeling. We did a lot of remodeling. So I want to show you guys this pill and stick floor tile that I actually got from Home Depot. This is the box here. I use these pill and stick tiles from Home Depot. It's pill and stick, very easy to use, and you get 10 in a box that it comes with. So I just want to show you guys what we did, the transformation from our bathroom. It's a new build and it came out amazing. These were super duper easy to use, highly recommend them, and it looks really real, like super real. With these towels, these are the larger ones, so they do cover a lot of space on the floor, which means you don't have to use as many. And it is true peel to stick. It's super sticky as well. The adhesive is really sticky, so some people do use extra adhesive on the floor, glue, whatever it is. We didn't need that. Just use this, and we also grounded, which helped as well. So here is another close-up of the towel that we use. It is marble designed, and on the back of the towel it has arrows, so it shows you how to place them in the same direction, which is a good key. The peel and stick again is super duper heavy duty, so I recommend that you do use the peel and stick method if you want something easy to do that's long lasting. This is the setup that I was doing, just placing it down to see how I wanted to design it. So I did want that asymmetrical look versus just being all uniform. So this is me just testing it out on the floor, and now I'm ready to actually peel this sticker off the back and put my first towel down. I was very nervous, you guys, first time ever doing this, but you guys see the brown floor, how this is the base on how the floor came. We got a new modeled home, a new built home, and this is the floor, how it looks. So I wanted to redo our floor, and I'm starting off with this peel and stick actual towel, and it really worked and turned out amazing. I cannot wait for you guys to see the ending results of this. So my first towel is down. I was like, okay, got this, we got this. So I also am using some spacers so that we can grout the floor as well. So you'll see me put spacers down, and at first I was measuring out because I wanted to make sure that I do the asymmetrical look and that it's still even. So you'll see me doing that here. And I did take my time doing this project. I was not rushing through it. I did watch other YouTube videos to get reference. So give yourself, have patience with yourself if you're going to take on this task. It is easy to do, but if you wanted to turn out amazing and have a really good long lasting effect, especially like in your bathroom where there's going to be water on the floor and people taking showers, using the bathroom, stuff like that, washing their hands, you want to make sure you take your time and put it down the correct way versus just doing a fast job. So I'm taking my time, you guys, and I am so grateful that I did take my time doing this. I did it by myself. I did use these spacers because you can put the towel up against each other, but I wanted that really professional towel look, so I decided to grout as well. So we use the spacer so we can grout, and also grouting does give it a longer lasting effect, and it gives it more security as well for the towels to stay down. Another tip I definitely want to add is make sure your floors are clean before you start to put the actual towel down and adhere it down to the floor. You want to have dust-free, clean-free floors so that you can have your best results, and this can last for a very long time. The adhesive is really, really great. When I say it's super adhesive, it's super adhesive. And again, I did get these from Home Depot. I'll definitely link them down below. You can order it online or go into the store and get them. They also sell it in bulk as well. So I do plan on doing my kitchen with a different marble look, but I am really thinking about doing the actual peel and stick again in my kitchen. I did put weights on the tiles because you want to put some type of weight on it so that it can really adhere to the floor. So me and my boyfriend definitely stepped on these a lot, and this is some progress here. As you see, it was turning out amazing. I was able to easily cut this towel to cut around the toilet area and make sure it fit perfectly. So there's a method to the madness of cutting these, but they're not too thick and they're not like too hard to cut, but you definitely do want to have a really good tool to cut these with. I'll link down below what I used. but a good knife, cutting knife should work as well for you guys. Showing you guys that I am getting really good lines with the spacers for grouting, so my grouting is going to look amazing. And here is where I'm all done putting the towel down. Only thing left to do is grout. So here's what I use to grout. You have to have a sponge. I use this ready to use grout that I'll discuss a little later in the video, and also this tool here, which I'll link down below. You want to have all this, a bucket. I also use some gloves as well because you don't want the grout to get on your hands. The bucket of water, when you use this, I learned that you don't have to keep freshening your water. Just keep using the same water, even though it, it gets gray and dirty looking. But I used the acrylic white color to do my grouting, and it really went very well with this marble tile. Like, I'm so amazed at how this turned out. And again, this is my first time doing this, anything like this, and with researching and getting the right tools and taking my time, I was able to get this done the first time perfectly, in my opinion. I had a housewoman and everyone came over and was like, oh my gosh, your bathroom, it looks amazing. It looks so upscale and professional. But I did it all on my own, picked everything on my own. I did have some help from my boyfriend at times, but this is really easy and it was very fulfilling in the end. The grouting, it's not hard to do either because I did use the premix kind. So you basically are pushing the grout inside of the space. The spaces in between the tiles. And when you do that, you are pushing it in. Basically, you have to use this tool because by just using your hands or whatever, it doesn't really get inside those lines. So when they say use that tool, you have to use that tool. And then you also, with this grout, it does dry really fast, so you want to take a sponge, a wet sponge, and go in a circular motion to remove it. Do not just swipe. You have to go in a circular motion. Again, it's a method to the madness to get the perfect results with this. And you guys, please, if you are enjoying the information I'm giving y'all, enjoying this video, and it's appreciative, please hit the like button and subscribe to my video because I have so many more remodeling videos coming for you guys. I did my kitchen, I did my hallways, I did wallpaper, I did so much stuff in my new build home, and it turned out so amazing. We also did our own patio in the back that I'll be showing footage from that as well. So you guys, it is on and popping over here. My channel is back. It's super duper back. Took a minute off, but I'm super duper back because we have so much greatness to share with you guys, me and my family. So the grouting, as you see, is really simple. You push the grout inside the lines, then you just wipe it on up with your sponge, and that's basically it. So I'll let you guys continue to watch me grout, and then I'll be back in a little bit to show you guys and talk about the ending results.
I've been watching you. Boy, I've been watching you.
the grouting is all complete, and y'all see this looks amazing. So tip, make sure you give your bathroom a good like 2-3 days. We did like a good 2 days of no using so it could fully dry, so we can have the best results of this. So no taking showers, none of that. I was very serious about this drying and being long lasting, and it worked. So this is the grout that we use. Also purchased this from Home Depot, so I'll link everything down below that we used. It was a ready to use pre-mix, so we didn't have to mix anything. It worked super good and super fast also. So if you're a DIYer like us, then this is really good for you to use. And it makes stuff super easy and fast to do and efficient. And I did add a strip at the door of the bathroom. The reason why is because as you can see, the floor is not the same in my hallway, so I wanted some type of good transition so it doesn't just automatically just change to the marble floor from the brown floor. So I put this strip there to give a nice transition and ceiling to the door as well. So I got this off of Amazon. It will be linked down below. Really easy to use. You can cut this, and you can also customize it to whatever size you need it to be. It comes in different thicknesses as well. So the exact one that I have, I'll definitely link down below for you guys, and it's really affordable as well. As you can see, it is peel and stick, so really simple. And I have had this bathroom together for 4 months now, so keep on watching because you guys are going to get to see a 4-month update of how this bathroom and all this stuff has held up. So just keep on watching. But just want to show you guys literally everything that I did to complete this floor project in my bathroom. It has been 4 months since we did this project, so you all get to see a 4-month follow-up of how well the towels, peel and stick actually held up. So I'll show you that now. So I'm super excited to show you guys this 4-month update of the actual bathroom. I've added some of the pieces in the bathroom. So this towel, it's just amazing. It literally lasts us for 4 months so far. No issues. The grout has lasted and upheld wonderfully. I can vacuum and mop on this floor and it still is held up. It's really good. So besides the actual floor, I also did some decorating in here. So I want to show you guys the pieces that I found on Amazon. Really nice pieces, y'all. So you have a foam soap dispenser. Tells you the degrees, comes out really good. Also, we have this faucet that we installed ourselves off Amazon. Really nice. Has the stopper as well, so it matches. And you have your hot and cold. Switches. Pulls out. So this is new. This mirror here, which is large, and the diamonds on around it, really nice. These pictures also got off Amazon. The toilet cover, super stretchy, so you can upgrade your toilet as well. Have this lid as well. These rugs, got these 2 rugs as well. They're non-slip. And also got this cover. Changed the cover, and it does close also. Also, you guys, we got the wallpaper off Amazon. It's so nice. We did the entire bathroom with this wallpaper, so it was easy to use. I did this about 7 months ago and it's still holding up all over here, so really nice.